Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, for example using the dialer. It doesn't really matter, just open it, and here let's find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on edit contact and tap on this camera icon right in the middle. As you can see, we've got two different options from which we can choose. So we can set either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo in real life, or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. So let me tap on it. Here we have to decide where we want to complete this action, so we can pick the gallery or Google Photos, which is basically the same option. It will transfer you to your own albums. So now we can find the photo we would like to use and tap on it, and from this step we can adjust the size of this square. We unfortunately cannot zoom in or out the photo. We will be able to do that if we will pick the Google options with the Google Photos. And thanks to this, thanks to changing the position of the square, we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area is responsible for it. So position it like you want to and tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner. As you can see, it has been applied here, so let's tap on save. And as you can see, this is our contact, and the photo will be shown on the contact list, and you will be able to see it whilst all incoming calls from that number, for example. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your Oppo Reno 7 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.